So you've learned new Spanish vocabulary. Now what? Have you ever learned a new word in Spanish only to forget it the next day? You're not alone. It happens to everyone. So today I'm sharing 6 key strategies that will help you remember new Spanish words effortlessly. You may hear a word, maybe even write it down, and then poof, the next time you need it, it's gone. Frustrating, right? But here's the thing. It's not that your memory is bad. Your brain just needs a better way to store the word so that it actually sticks. Make sure you stick around until the end because I have a bonus method. A simple but super powerful trick that can make all of the difference. Strategy number 1, visual associations. Your brain loves images. It remembers pictures way better than random words. So one of the best tricks of learning Spanish vocabulary is to connect words to a mental image. For example, mesa means table. Picture a table covered with a huge mess. Boom, mesa, mess. Pan means bread. Imagine a loaf of bread sitting in a frying pan. Ojo means eye. Think of the letter O looking just like a big eye staring at you. When you link a word to a visual, you give your brain something to hold on to. Strategy number 2, context and daily life integration. Memorizing words in isolation is one of the fastest ways to forget them. Instead, you need to bring those words into your daily life. A great way to do this? The challenge of the day. Every morning, pick a new Spanish word and challenge yourself to use it at least 5 times that day. Whether in a text, a conversation, a note to yourself, or even saying it out loud while making coffee. If you use a word in context, your brain understands it better and keeps it stored for much longer. Estrategia número 3. Writing personalized sentences. Writing is so underrated when it comes to memory, but here's a trick that really works. Every time you learn a new word, write 5 sentences using it. Why? Because when you write a sentence, you're forcing your brain to think about the word's meaning. You're also asking it to consider how it fits into a sentence, and you're asking it to connect it to a real-life situation. And if you do this every day, by the end of the week, you'll have 35 personalized sentences, real-life examples that actually matter to you. Estrategia número 4. Storytelling and mental movies. Ever noticed how you can remember entire movies but not a list of vocabulary words? That's because your brain loves stories. So instead of memorizing words one by one, connect them into a fun little story. For example, let's say you're learning gato, cat, desorden, mess, cocina, kitchen, naranja, orange. Now picture this. A cat jumps onto the kitchen counter and knocks over a basket of oranges, making a huge mess. That's it. Now you've linked 4 words together in a scene you won't forget. Estrategia número 5. Listening and repeating out loud. Hearing words is great, but saying them out loud is even better. Repetition is the key to fluency. Next time you hear a new Spanish word, whether it's in a song, a podcast, or a TV show, repeat it out loud immediately. Even better, try to imitate the exact rhythm and intonation. This helps train your brain to store the word, recall it faster, and pronounce it more naturally. Speaking of listening, did you know that Spanish 55 just launched a brand new podcast? It's called Conquering Spanish, and in it, we interview real students, brave adults who took the leap to learn Spanish and now are transforming their lives. If you ever feel stuck or need some inspiration, I highly recommend you check it out. Here's your bonus method, the power of teaching others. You really want to remember a new word? Teach it to someone else. It could be a friend, a coworker, or even a pet. Seriously, just explaining the word out loud forces your brain to process it at a deeper level. So next time you learn a cool Spanish word, try explaining it to someone. Even if they don't need to know it, you do, and that's what matters. Now, here's my challenge for you. Comment below with a new Spanish word you recently learned and use it in a sentence. And if you made it to the end, drop a blue heart emoji in the comments below so I know you're one of the real ones. And if you're ready to take your Spanish to the next level, Spanish 55 makes it easy. You can schedule a free consultation through the link in the description to start your personalized learning journey with expert coaches who can make Spanish learning fun and effective. See you in the next video. Hasta pronto.